The Search for Earth-like Planets, a comprehensive review. The concept of Earth-like planets. Before delving into the specifics, it's essential to define what we mean by Earth-like. Typically, this term refers to exoplanets that share characteristics with Earth, particularly those that might support life. Key attributes of Earth-like planets include size and composition, planets that are similar in size to Earth and composed of rock rather than gas. Temperature and atmosphere, planets that orbit within the habitable zone of their star, where liquid water could exist. The presence of an atmosphere similar to Earth's is also crucial for sustaining life. Water and surface conditions, the availability of liquid water on the surface and stable climate conditions are also significant factors. Historical context. The quest to find planets beyond our solar system has a rich history. Early astronomers speculated about the existence of other worlds, but it wasn't until the 20th century that scientific methods began to provide evidence for exoplanets. The first exoplanet discovery around a Sun-like star, 51 Pegasi b, in 1995 marked a turning point in this research. Since then, technological advancements have drastically increased our ability to detect and study exoplanets. Methods for detecting exoplanets. To find Earth-like planets, scientists use several methods. Transit method. This involves detecting the dimming of a star's light as an exoplanet passes in front of it. This method has been highly successful and was utilized by missions such as Kepler and TESS, Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite. Radial velocity method, also known as Doppler spectroscopy. This technique measures the gravitational effects of a planet on its host star, causing periodic shifts in the star's spectral lines. Direct imaging. This method involves capturing images of exoplanets by blocking out the light from their host stars. It is challenging but can provide valuable information about the planet's atmosphere and composition. Gravitational microlensing. This technique relies on the gravitational field of a star or planet to magnify the light of a more distant star. It's useful for detecting planets that are farther from their stars. Key missions and telescopes. Several missions and telescopes have been instrumental in advancing our search for Earth-like planets. Kepler Space Telescope, launched in 2009, Kepler revolutionized the search for exoplanets by discovering thousands of candidates, including many that lie within their star's habitable zone. TESS, Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, launched in 2018, TESS builds on Kepler's work by surveying the nearest and brightest stars for transiting planets. James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, launched in December 2021. JWST offers unprecedented capabilities in observing exoplanet atmospheres and characterizing their compositions. Notable discoveries. Several Earth-like exoplanets have been discovered, some of which are particularly intriguing. Proxima Centauri b, located in the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri, the closest star to the Sun, this exoplanet is a prime candidate for further study. Kepler 452b, dubbed Earth's cousin, this planet orbits a star similar to the Sun and is located in the habitable zone. TRAPPIST-1 system. This system contains 7 Earth-sized planets, 3 of which are in the habitable zone of their star. The importance of the habitable zone. The habitable zone, often referred to as the Goldilocks zone, is a critical factor in the search for Earth-like planets. It is the region around a star where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist. Planets within this zone have the potential to support life as we know it. However, being in the habitable zone does not guarantee habitability, as factors such as atmospheric composition and planetary climate also play crucial roles. Challenges and limitations. Despite significant progress, the search for Earth-like planets faces several challenges. Distance. Most exoplanets are located hundreds or thousands of light years away, making detailed study difficult. Size and brightness. Earth-sized exoplanets are much smaller and fainter than their host stars, making them challenging to detect and study. Atmospheric analysis. Determining the composition of an exoplanet's atmosphere requires sophisticated instruments and techniques, which are still in development. Future prospects. The future of exoplanet research holds exciting possibilities. Next-generation telescopes, instruments like the European Extremely Large Telescope (ELT), and future space missions will enhance our ability to detect and characterize exoplanets. Planetary atmosphere studies, advancements in spectroscopy and other techniques will allow for more detailed analysis of exoplanet atmospheres, helping us assess their potential for supporting life. Interstellar exploration. Concepts such as the Breakthrough Starshot project aim to send probes to nearby star systems, potentially allowing us to study exoplanets up close.